In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sell USDT on Binance for mobile money. Whether you're looking to cash out or simply want to diversify your financial options, selling your USDT for mobile money is a convenient and efficient way to access those funds directly through your mobile wallet. Let's dive into the step-by-step process to make this transaction seamless and straightforward. Start by opening the Binance app on your mobile device. Once you've logged into your account, navigate to the P2P section. The peer-to-peer marketplace is a fantastic platform where you can conduct trades directly with other users without the need for intermediaries. It's designed to be user-friendly while providing a range of options that help maximize your trading efficiency. Next, you'll want to tap on the Sell button and then select USDT from the list of available cryptocurrencies. This step sets the stage for your transaction, so ensure that you select the correct crypto you intend to sell. As USDT is a popular stablecoin, you'll have a lot of potential buyers, so you're in a good position to find a deal that works in your favor. Once you've selected USDT, it's time to filter your payment method options by choosing mobile money. You'll see a variety of platforms like Gcash, Maya, Bcash and EasyPaysa, depending on your location and the services available in your area. This filter will streamline the process by showing only the buyers who are equipped to pay through your preferred mobile money service. After you've set your filter, browse through the available buyers. Here, you're looking for someone who offers a good exchange rate and has a high completion rate on past transactions. These factors are key indicators of reliability and efficiency. A competitive rate ensures you get the best value for your USDT, while a high completion rate provides confidence that the buyer will follow through with the payment process efficiently and reliably. Once you have identified the ideal buyer, enter the amount of USDT you wish to sell. Be sure you're comfortable with the amount, as this will kickstart the selling process. After reviewing, simply tap on the Sell button to initiate the transaction. Now all that's left is to wait for the buyer to complete the payment via the mobile money service. Keep an eye out for the notification of payment. It's crucial to double check and confirm the receipt in your mobile money account before proceeding to the next step. Once confirmed, go ahead and tap Release to mark the transaction as complete. This final action signals that you have received the payment and are releasing the equivalent USDT to the buyer. And there you have it, a straightforward process for selling USDT for mobile money on Binance. This method offers a seamless way to convert your digital currency into readily accessible and spendable funds. Thanks for watching and happy trading on Binance.